Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. So, the first one, that when you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use controls at your headphones. At the right ear cup we have all controls. Play pause. With these controls you can play and pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can increase or lower the volume, you can switch between ambient sound control, you can call voice assistant or mute or unmute the microphone. You cannot customize it, but it's enough. If you don't know how to use them, you can check video at this channel. Next step, that you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets. You need to open JBL Headphones application. Your headphones should be connected with the app. Right here we have equalizer, and there are 6 presets what JBL offer for us. You can also create a custom one and use this one. It's up to you, just tap at the best one for you. Then, as I said, we can swap between ambient sound control, because these headphones have ANC, what mean active noise cancellation, and you can use it. I like this mod. Also, we have transparency mode to hear your surround sound, and talk through to speak with someone. I guess it's a good one also, because you can use also controls to swap between these modes. Then, these headphones have dual connection. So you can connect two devices simultaneously with your headphones. If you don't know how to do this, you can also check video at this channel, but it's pretty easy, so don't worry. Next, if you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold. At the same time, volume up button would have a plus icon, and volume down button would have a minus icon. Then your headphones turn off, and you need to reconnect them with the phone. And if you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!